Okay guys, here's what's going on. Y'all remember the 32 Ford? I got her all put back together. Let's turn this radio off for a minute. There we go, got her all put back together. Well, last night, Friday night, Wes was over and started laying down the flames. This is going to be a weekend project. The most time that's involved is the masking and laying them out. But this is what the owner wants. He wants to flame it all up. Going right up there, right up onto the fenders. Peeking it right over. Oh yeah, and then he's going right up onto the roof. I like how it comes down like that. That's really cool looking. And the visor to the roof there. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. So now he's just working here. He's got to do the other side, lay him out, and he's going to be masking up all day today for this Saturday. And then Sunday it's paint time. And we're just going to continue this video as we go along. Just going to show you what's going on. And guess what I'm doing this weekend? Or not I'm doing, but we're going to start on. We're going to start on, whoops, hang on a second here. We are starting today on, whoops, there we go, on the bodywork, on the rocker panel and quarter panel of my shoebox. Let her rip, tater chip. Gonna get going on that. Told you, I got a plan. Now this car, not this summer, not next summer, the summer after, I want done complete on the road, like everything, upholstery, chrome, engine tranny. This is a longer car. I'm gonna make this car really nice. I'm not gonna make it no white glove show winning, award winning car, but it's gonna still turn heads when it's done. So that's what's gonna happen there. But anyway, we will continue this video on when Wes continues on with some more flame work. Alright guys, let's go check out the progress. So this video started there Friday night. Here's Saturday. We're getting going here. Show you what's happening in this early afternoon or later afternoon, whatever. So Wes is just ran out to grab something to eat. But there we go. He's getting there. So you can see where the flames are going to be. It's going to look good. I'm excited for this. A lot of masking. He's got a lot of masking to do here today. It's going to be a late night for him, I would assume. I think he got started, I don't know. We'll say he got started at 9 a.m. I think he's going to be here till at least 11 p.m. to get this finished up. But really, once you get all the flames masked, the outline, the rest should go pretty easy. But yeah, looking real good. Old Roadman Terry. It's gonna be happy. Another happy customer, another happy roadman. Got to keep those guys happy. Fraser Valley chapter, they bring me a lot of work. I've known all these guys before they were roadmen. And they're good friends of mine. And here we go. Sean's grabbing a bite to eat too. He's working. Now it may look like a lot of body filler on here, but it's not. You can see he's just skim coating it. So he's skim coating it, then he knocks it down, he fills in any lows. So he's still got more to knock down. You can see where it's kind of rough here and there. So he'll knock a bit more off. You can see how the metal starts to come through as you're knocking it off. So the plan is on this to get the rocker and the quarter all in first primer. Yeah. All right. So we're having a good time here. Anyway, I'll get back to you in a bit with this video. We'll continue on when we get a little further ahead on the 32. Take a quick look here and see how he's doing. Coming along really good. It's got all the flames laid out. Wow, so what's left now is mask up the truck. Mask her up and lay down the paint. It's going to look good. I'm very, very impressed with this. You know, Like if that don't scream out hot rod, I don't know what does. Stay tuned for more. We'll be back in a bit. There, we'll go check out Wes's laying down some base for the flames on the 32 Ford. Let's go take a little look here. So as you can see right now, he's just putting down some silver base. This is kind of the look right here he's going for. Except on the finished product, it's going to have more blue than it is silver. The owner wants more blue. And of course he wants the tips completely blue. And that's what it will look like on the satin. To it in a bit. Okay, we'll go see how Wes is doing. Remember now, he's got to put 3 coats of base down, so he might still be on the silver. And I'm not going to stand here all day and film it, but we'll get some filming in for you guys to see. Oh yeah, it's standing out more now. Look at that. Wow. Okay, Wes should be doing the blue now. The silver's done. Take a look. Let's go see how Wesley's doing here. It's been a bit. Okay, so the next step here is clear coat. Away we go. Okay, it's clear coat time. Let's check it out. This is going to be short and brief because I can't handle the smell. Alright, here we go guys, finished product. Turned out good. So Terry's gonna come get it today. He's got a pinstriper. I forget who's doing it now. Maybe Axe Graphics or something. He's gonna pinstripe all the outer edge. I believe they're doing it in a blue. Could be wrong. That's exactly what he wanted. If that don't scream out hot rod, I don't know what does. And then his plan is he's going to do a pinstriping design up in here on the rear lid. He's going to the Penticton car show with this truck, and he's going to do a pinstriping design up in there. He's got this guy named Al, Cue Ball Al or someone up that way, up in the Okanagan way. That's going to be doing that for him. It turned out really nice. I'm happy with it. that's it. We're wrapping it up here. And so if you're wondering where my Sunday fun day went, well, my Sunday fun day was hanging out all weekend. Well, this was getting striped, and I was kind of playing on my Model A over there, and that's about it. So you guys didn't miss nothing. Alright guys, we'll catch you during the week and we'll show you what else is going on in the shop.